The entire world seems to be asking the same question. Where is Spider-Man?
Is that a king can? Did you get the king size?
Yeah. Yeah. The
upgrade?
Tall boy. Bubbly tall boy.
People have been asking. It's been 3 years since we last uploaded a video with B9 A4. What's going on?
Has it been that long?
It's been 3 years.
Okay. Stage 3 on the B9 A4. Even though it's been a while since there was a video, we did work on this car and we were testing a prototype Turbo Concepts. We came up with this idea to kind of make a basically like an IS-38 style size turbo, Golf R turbine housing with an IS-38 wheel and a customized compressor housing. So that's what's been in this car, and we were testing with that. We got held up because there was an issue where the car would knock on cylinder 3 like 5 or 6 degrees every single time we ran it with any amount of power. Couldn't figure it out for the longest time. I tried so many different things on this car, tried to isolate engine mounts. I thought maybe there's a weird vibration causing a knock, a false knock, but no, couldn't figure it out. Turns out it was an error in the stock software maps. So that's been since resolved. During that time, Turbo Concepts actually came out with a new production turbo that you could buy. So instead of wasting our time developing this prototype turbo that nobody can ever buy, we got one of these new turbos from them. I'm gonna swap this in and hopefully make some more power with this thing, finally. Yeah, so it's not really even a hybrid turbo because they've made their own castings, they made their own wheel. As far as I know, it's based on the wheel's based on like a Garrett G-Series style wheel. But yeah, I mean, this is still, I think, very limited to get your hands on. They sent one to us and I think maybe a couple other tuning companies to put these in the cars and tune them so people can run them. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. You can buy it straight from Turbo Concepts website, but provided we make some decent software for it, you'll probably be able to buy it on our website too, because we sell their other models for the transverse engines. And then I just go, ah, and get off. Could never have too much bubbly water.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I worked on this car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, this thing should just be falling on my head. All right, let me refamiliarize myself with this. It's been a few minutes. Okay, I'm good.
Any tips or tricks for the people?
Grab a bubbly, don't rush it. Maybe I'll just drain the coolant first. Maybe that's the smart thing to do. See if this works the way it's supposed to. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's just get this over with. Come on, pull the Band-Aid off, there we go.
I think you need a bubbly.
Yeah, you're right. I need a sip. I feel like
He's back. He's $1 million.
I feel like Mario after he ate a mushroom. Let that drain all over everything for a second. Maybe I should just take this actuator off. Might make my life easier. My favorite part about bolts like this is like just the fact that it does have to go back on later. We're 1 line and 4 nuts away from this turbo being off. Oh, it went right in the coolant. Ah! I hate that. Ugh. That was a genuine growl of frustration. Was that a growl?
That's pretty tame, dude. Yeah, that was like a growl.
That was a roar. Compressor housing is an IS-38 housing from a Golf R. O2 bung welded into the turbine housing because it doesn't exist in that spot. Normally it's like on the Golf, it's here, which I had to block off. See what I mean by being a prototype? And it's got a V-band, which all the Audis, or the A4s, have the 4-bolt. Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay.
We'll finish this job tomorrow.
Day 2.
No, man, this is like half an hour from the last time you cut. I do have to take this old downpipe off because I modified it for that turbo and put a V-band on it instead of the 4-bolt flange, so that's got to come out.
What's the quote of this video? What's the quote of the day?
Just keep going. Never give up. But I think what I'm going to do is just put a whole bunch of extensions on. Hopefully it'll reach. Zap it off, you know? Is this overkill? Let's see. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, man. Come on, buddy, you're almost there. There she is. Oh, yes. Beauty. O-ring in. Take these little crusty dogs off, put some new dogs on so we don't have any leaks. So this is your oil feed line. Boop. These black ones are for your coolant lines. Boop. Boop. This green one is for your oil return line. Boop. Well, yesterday, I didn't enjoy this bolt. Today, we're getting along much better. Now, let's get back to some lines to the turbo, shall we? Oh, I'm gonna drop it. Try again. Sounds all right. Turbo's in. So we got the new turbo from Turbo Concepts in the B9. I'm ready to take this off and get it on the dyno to do some development with it. That development will probably take a little while, so you have to be patient with that. But in the meantime, if you have one of these B9 A4s, we just released full compatibility with FCP, ECU, and TCU. So you can do your stage 1, stage 2 tunes while you're ready for your turbo upgrade. B9 A4, we are so back.
You gotta like walk. You gotta walk out of.
Oh. No, that was terrible. All right, B9 A4, we are so back. It's been a while. Oh, should I just go? Okay, I'll go.